say and do. So that means that we are looking at the questions of what does the author say and what does the author do? And we will do this activity when we are looking at a text. And we want to think about what do these questions mean when we're going into a text and we're trying to answer them. And one way to think about it is you can think of it like social media. When someone is posting a picture, what do you see in the picture? So you can give some general descriptions of what you see in the picture. And this is like the question, what does the author say? So what's actually happening in the text? What's actually happening in the picture? And then the second question that you can think about, when you're looking at social media is what does the poster want you to think or feel while seeing the picture? So again, what is the author, and that's the equivalent of what is the author doing? What are they trying to make you feel? What are they trying to convey? So let's try it out. So I am showing a picture right here, and I want you to think about what do you see in the picture? Well, in this picture, there is a woman holding two babies. She's wearing a purple, it's kind of like a dress. She has a blue veil on, and in the background that looks like there's a bunch of greenery. It looks like there's the ocean, so it looks like she has a flower altar, and also the woman is Beyonce, so that's an important detail. So we've got this picture, and that's what we see in it. That's what we're actually viewing. But when Beyonce posted this, what did she want you to think or feel? What was the message she was trying to send? And you might not remember exactly when it was posted, but the message she was trying to send was she was announcing the birth of her two children. She was trying to show it in this beautiful, majestic way and using particular colors, particular imagery, particular clothing, a particular pose and everything to sort of show the sort of majestic and this profound experience that had happened to her. This birth of her two twin children. So right now we're going to look at a slightly different photo, but not that different actually. So here we've got another picture of a mother with two twin children, and this woman is not wearing a purple dress. Her outfit has purple in it, but it's a pink blanket. She also has a veil, and in the background there's a lot of green, there's a lot of nature kind of stuff. There's a house, whereas there was no house in Beyonce's picture. So that's what we see in this picture. But is it the same message, the same image as Beyonce's picture? Absolutely not. So what does the poster want you to think or feel while seeing this picture? She is responding to Beyonce's picture. She's kind of making fun of it. She's being a little bit making a parody of it. So she's trying to amuse the audience. She's trying to show a connection. And, this did end up going viral. This is a woman or a mother in Ireland with her two twin children who saw Beyonce's picture and wanted to imitate it. So you can see that even though the actual contents of the pictures, a mother showing her posing with her two children with a veil and a pink purple piece of clothing on with nature in the background, those are similar throughout the two photos, but otherwise the photos are fairly different, and also the message is quite different. One is a serene birth announcement. The other one is a silly parody of a common pop culture image that many people have been inundated with around that time. So that's sort of an introduction to this idea. Next, what we're going to do is applying this idea specifically to writing. No more looking at pictures, but applying this specifically to writing and analyzing it.